everybody. I'd like to welcome you to this 6-week online philosophy class at Mount San Antonio College. I'd like to just take a couple minutes to introduce you to myself and to the course. So this is for ethics and ethics honors. I'm doing one orientation for both classes. The classes are very similar in terms of course content, in terms of course setup, but the honors have a more in-depth post requirement and project requirement. So let's begin. An introduction to me real quick. So my name is Dr. Andrea Diem. I am chair of the philosophy department. I've been teaching in the philosophy department at Mount San Antonio College for a few decades, actually, more than a few decades. So I've been here for quite a long time, and I've seen all the changes that have occurred at Mount SAC. What a wonderful college you're part of. So thank you for being a student at Mount SAC. And a more in-depth introduction to me is found in Canvas. I have a whole page explaining my subject matter, my degrees, my children, my hobbies, all of that. So do take a look there. So to introduce you to the course, because I only want to take a few minutes and not go too in-depth on everything, the course is all set up on Canvas. It is pretty easy to navigate, hopefully. It is set up by units. There's 6 units. There's 6 weeks. So every unit is covered in a week. What a unit consists of is 2 topics. So if you think of it that way, there are 12 topics in this course we cover, and the topics are really interesting one, from animal welfare to environmental ethics, to ethical heroes, to religion and ethics, to environmental ethics. So we also learn about different ethical theories from Plato to Nietzsche to Marx and so forth. So there's a lot of cool topics, and I hope it captures your attention. A lot of students take this class for their major because some majors require ethics. So anybody in the medical field, nursing, future doctors, future physician assistants, future accountants, future business people, you're all part of the ethical world. We're all, as humans, part of the ethical world, but certainly those disciplines require this course as well. It's a great class to take, so I welcome you to it. So the class is all pretty easy to follow, hopefully on Canvas for you. Let me know if you have any questions. I have a help form set up. If not, everything is free for you. There's no book to buy. It's all embedded reading and films. I also have lectures. I also have Google Slides. I've done everything, I think, to make the class very easy for you to understand. If you do have any questions, though, that's my job. I'm here to help facilitate and run the course for you. So I welcome you to this class, and I won't make my introduction too long. The syllabus, make sure you've read that. Make sure you've done the orientation material. I do have a check-in activity that's due on Wednesday, the first week of the term. So it's due in just a couple days. And the requirement is for you to complete the orientation module, take an orientation quiz, which is super easy, and introduce yourself to your classmates and respond to a few. The reason you need to do that by Wednesday is our drop sheets are due that night, and they want us to drop anybody who's not done that activity. Okay, welcome you to the class. Namaste, everybody. And I hope it's a wonderful semester. Thank you. Bye-bye.